Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's practice is focused on getting the splits. I have prepared a series of stretches that you can try every day to achieve your goal of getting the splits. So let's start by standing at the front of your mat. Inhale, lengthen your arms up in the sky, and as you exhale, bend forward. Reach the ground. Touch your head to knees if you can. Exhale. Inhale, lift halfway. And as you exhale, bend. Inhale, lift halfway, lengthen your spine. And exhale to fold. Inhale, lift your arms up. And as you exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, step your left foot back. Grab hold of opposite elbows at the back. And bend forward. Bend halfway. And as you inhale, stand right back up. Step the foot in the front of the mat again. Inhale, step the right foot back. Grab opposite elbows at the back and bend forward. Take a few breaths here, and as you inhale, stand up and step the foot to the front of the mat again. Now sit on the mat with the feet straight in front. Bend the right foot and bring the sole of the foot to the left thigh. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, bend forward. Take a few breaths. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Now bend the foot parallel to the thigh and inhale, lift your arms up. As you exhale, bend forward, touch the floor, feel the stretch. Inhale, arms up. As you exhale, arms down. Straighten the leg and start with the left leg. Bring the sole of the foot to the right thigh, keeping your back straight. Inhale, lift your arms up, and as you exhale, bend forward, reaching to the floor. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Now bend the foot with the lower leg parallel to the thigh. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, bend forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, and exhale, arms down. Now straighten the leg and bring both the legs straight in front of you. Inhale, lift the arms up, and as you exhale, bend forward. Reach the ground. Keep your back straight. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, arms up, lengthen your spine, bend forward, exhale. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Now standing in front of your mat, take the arms up in the air and come to a low lunge. Bring both the hands beside the right foot. Lift the foot behind and grab the foot with the left hand. Release the foot. Hold for a few breaths. And now take the right hand beside the left hand, keeping the right foot beside the right hand. Come on to your elbows if you can to get the deep stretch. Lift the left leg and grab the foot with the left hand. Release the foot. Take the right hand beside the right foot, keeping the foot between both the hands, and stretch the right leg. And come to the low lunge again, trying for a split. Extend your leg. Reach until wherever you can. Don't force yourself too much. If you have come on to the split, stretch both the sides. Lift the right foot and come on to the low lunge again. Tuck the toe behind and come to a forward fold. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms down. Let's try this one more time. So taking the left foot behind, come to a low lunge. Bring both the hands beside the right foot. Grab the left foot with the right hand this time. Release the foot. Take a few breaths here and bring the hand beside the left hand. Hold for a few breaths and come on to your elbows. Bend the left foot and grab the foot with the right hand. Release the foot. And get the right foot between both the hands. Straighten the right foot again. Bring your hands behind and fold forward. Taking the hands ahead, try for a split again. Now twist towards your left and towards your right. Repeat the same process taking the left foot forward. Practice every day. Come on to the low lunge again. Fold forward. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, arms down.